Hi! In front of me is an Android 13 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. You need to start by opening Devices Settings. In them, scroll down to access Security and Privacy. Now scroll down, click on Device Unlock, click on Screen Lock, and select the best login method for you by tapping on the chosen one, pattern, PIN, or password. Now you need to create it. Click on Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it in order to confirm it. Then tap on Confirm at the bottom right corner as well. Lastly, tap on one of those options to answer the question how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications. Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. I don't want any, so I will go with the last option. And click on Done at the bottom right corner one more time. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!